So, good morning, everyone. Once again, back to physics of ninth. And today's topic we are going to deal out with is energy. Energy is the topic with us. So, without wasting time, let us start with the topic called energy. Energy in simple language, ability to do work. Ability or capacity to do work. Sorry. So, ability to do work is known as energy. Means when you are in the first period of your class, you feel very fresh because you have a lot of energy in you. Means you have lots of ability to perform the task ahead of you. So this is called energy. But the question is from where this energy comes from. When it comes to biology, we simply say that in human beings or in any living being, the energy comes from food. The energy comes from food. But what about physics? It's been different. You know what? For example, if there is one child and because he has done something wrong and teacher wants to slap him. Now teacher firstly taking his or her hand back and then beating him or her. You know why? While doing so means taking the hand back, teacher was doing work on his or her hand, and that work is stored in the form of energy. Similarly, if there is a woodcutter, he has been taking his or her axe up to cut the wood. While doing so, he or she has been doing a work on the axe, whatever he or she has been having to cut the wood. That work where gone? That work will be stored in the form of energy in the axe. So it means how much work you do, that will stored in the form of energy. Understood? Means work can be easily converted into energy, and the reverse is also true. We might be having electrical energies at home which are used to run electric fans. Means electric fans are doing their work. The energies are used to run ACs, to run washing machines or any type of machine. Means here the energy is been converted back to work. Means in a nutshell, I'll say that work and energy are not only equal, they are interconvertible as well. So with this, I just want to tell you one thing more. As the SI unit of work is, we have already done in the previous videos, that is joule. And similarly with energy. So the joule is of course the SI unit for energy as well. So it means I came to know that work and energy are just same and interconvertible to each other. So after knowing about energy, our next topic is types of energy, which we will be discussing in the next video.